Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Sumi School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Today's topic is subtraction using pictures part 2. That means it's the last class. By using the picture, we will solve the subtraction. Okay, your lecture number is 19. You have no homework today. My dear students, so let's start our class. We have already learned in the previous class the 71 page from your book and the subtraction by using pictures. So we have already learned that how to subtract by using the pictures. Today we will solve page number 72 from your mathematics book. That means Math Avenue Primer A. Okay, from that book you must open page number 72. Okay. And the first one is already done, my dear students, for you. So how we can do the solution? It's very easy, very simple. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, how we should solve? 1, 2, 3, 4 apples are already there. From that 4 apple, we'll omit 3 apples. So cut down 3 apples. They are cut down already. 1, 2, 3 is cut down. So how many remains there? There remains only 1. There remains only 1 apple are there. So there is 1 is already given. So this one is already done for you. We will solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 pictures. Now solve this one. It's very easy, my dear students. 5 minus 2. Already there are 5 blueberries are there. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blueberries are there. From that 5 blueberries, we need to subtract 2 blueberries. That means we need to omit 2. So omit these 2, 1, 2. 2 is omitted. Now how many are remaining there? Count it and write down in the box. It's 1, 2, 3. So 3 blueberries are remaining there if we subtract 2 from 5. So answer will be 3. It's 3, okay. I hope you have understood how to solve. Like this way, we should solve all the problems. Now, my students, next figure is the figure of some sunflower, and we need to subtract 3 from 6. So 6 minus 3 is equal to how much? There are already 6 sunflowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this 6 sunflower, we need to omit 3 sunflowers. And if we cross 3 sunflowers from the 6, 1, 2, 3. These 3 are omitted. Okay. Now how many remain there? The remaining sunflower is, count out, it's 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 sunflowers are remaining there. So we should write down 3 in this box, because if we subtract 3 from 6, we will find out 3. This says that 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now the next figure is the figure of some ice cream. It's cone ice cream. Okay. Now my dear students, there are 4 minus 2. That means there are 4 cone ice creams are there. From that 4 cone ice cream, we need to omit 2 cone ice cream. So omit this 2 ice cream. It's 1, 2. 2 are omitted. Now how many remaining there? There remains only 2 ice creams are there. 1, 2. So write down 2 in the box. 2 in the box. This means that if we subtract 2 from 4, we will have 2. The next figure is the figure of some eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs are there. And from this 5 eggs, we need to omit 3 eggs. Now cross 3 eggs. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3 eggs are omitted. Now how many remaining there? The remaining is 1, 2. There are 2 eggs are remaining there. So we should write down 2 in this box. This means that 5 minus 3, that's equal to 2. Now the next figure is the figure of some keys. And from the keys, the total keys are 8. And we need to subtract 6 keys from the total 8 keys. And how many are there? Subtract these 6 keys from here. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is omitted. Now how many remaining there? The remaining is, it's 1 and it's 2. 2 keys are remaining. So my dear students, 8 minus 6 is equal to nothing but 2. Okay. Now the last 2 need to solve. This picture is the picture of some tomatoes. So there are 6 tomatoes are there. We need to subtract 1 tomato from the 6 tomato. 1 tomato need to be subtracted, so 1 need to be removed. Cross 1 tomato, and we will find out how many tomatoes are there. Count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 tomatoes are there remaining. Okay, so here will be 5. This means that 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. The last picture, the last problem is some problem of the pencils. There are 8 pencils in total and we need to subtract 3 pencils from that. So subtraction means we need to omit. Now omit this 3. 1, 2, 3 is omitted. Now how many are remaining there? Dear students, count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any problem? You can cross this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 pencils are remaining there. Okay. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, my dear students. Okay. Now my dear students, I hope you have understood how to subtract, and please you must practice it again and again. How we can practice? You must use the pencil to write down in the box, and then you can show it to your mom or dad, and after that you can erase that numbers and you can practice it again. Okay. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.